Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries because this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. Just ignore everything I did right now because there was just, some kind of permissions, etc. So right now we are in the browser. Let's start by tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here tap on delete browsing data. And also a disclaimer, if you've got the older version of the Google Chrome, probably you will not have the option delete browsing data here, but no worries. In that case, simply go to the history. This is the page of the history, and usually if we will have something, so let me just enter a specific website so you will be able to see what I'm talking about. And for some reason I did not have my internet connection. A lot of things happened here, so just give me a second, I will create a history. Okay, so I've changed my internet connection and created the history. Here we've got it. So in this section we will have visited websites. And now we can remove them manually just by tapping on those X buttons right here, or simply tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got some basic options like browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And under it we've got advanced options like tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you wish to remove something, make sure that it is marked. And here we've got the time range, so we have to manually change it. Just tap on it and you can choose specific range that you're interested in. I'll pick all time and then simply tap on delete data. So this is the longer way, and if you've got this clear data option, clear browsing data, simply tap on it, and here immediately we've got those basic options like visited websites, open tabs, etc. Here you can change the time range and tap on delete data. If you want to remove advanced browsing history, just tap on more options and you will be transferred to the same section I've shown you before. So just mark them, change the time range and tap on delete data. So here we've got our information, which means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.